Hello kids, do you brush your teeth every morning? Do you play with your friends every day? If you answered yes, then you are already using the simple present tense. Today, let's learn it step by step in a super easy way. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense tells us about habits, which means things we do every day. Facts means things that are always true. Daily routines or timetable or schedules. Let's see some examples. Habits and routines. I brush my teeth every morning. She goes to school. They play football every evening. Now see some examples for facts. Truth. The sun rises in the east. Birds fly in the sky. A week has 7 days. Grammar rule. Here is the magic rule of simple present tense. If you start to write a sentence with I, we, you, they, use the action word example, I play. Here, play is the action word. Next sentence, we eat. In this, eat is the action word. Next, you run. Here, run is the action word. They sing. Sing is the action word. If a sentence starts with he, she, it, add yes with the action verb. Example, he eats lunch. Here, eat is the action word. With that, we are adding yes with it. She likes to read story books. This sentence, like is the action verb. With that, we are adding yes because this sentence starts with she. Next sentence, it rains every afternoon in the summer. Rain is the action verb. With that, we are adding yes because this sentence starts with it. Short story in simple present. This is Rani. She wakes up at 7 o'clock. She brushes her teeth. She goes to school. She plays with her friends in the evening. She eats dinner with her family and then she sleeps. Can you spot simple present verb? Kids, in the story,
wakes,
brushes, goes, plays, eats, sleeps are all simple present verb. These words comes after she in these sentences so that we are adding yes with these action words. Great job kids. Now you know how to use the simple present tense. Practice by telling your own daily routines in simple present. Thank you.